Hey everybody, we're talking again today about the letter W that we learned yesterday. We're going to learn how to write W today. This is the letter W. Does anybody remember the sound W makes? W is a consonant, so it just makes one sound and it says W, W, W. Here is Willie Worm, our alpha friend for the letter W. He has a W on his body. You can still picture it on the other side, even if he didn't have the W on him. We're going to read a W story. We're going to read my W book, and I want you to put your listening ears on and see what other w words you hear in this story. Little W had a box. She said, "I will fill my box. I will put my wildcat and my wand into the box." Little W put on her hat and cape. "I will be a good witch," she said. She found a woodpecker and wiggly worms. She put them into her box. Little W found a weasel. He wiggled into the box. A wolf was after him. Little W waved her wand. "Wolf, be good," she said. Guess where she put the wolf? Little W found a well. It was a wishing well. I wish I had something bigger for my things," said little W. Little W found a wheelbarrow, and away she went, down the road to the water. "I will wade in the water," she said. "Wow," said a walrus, "what a wacky witch." Little W said, "You belong in my box, walrus." Little W put the walrus into the box. The walrus winked at the wolf. Little W went back to the water. A whale was in the water. "You are so big," said little W. Little W found a wagon, a big, big wagon. Away she went, right into a wall. What was behind the wall? Watermelons. "Let's have a watermelon party," said little W. And they did, with their watermelons, wheelbarrow, wiggly worms, wildcat, walrus, wolf, weasel, wagon, whale, wishing well, the wall, and the water. Here are some more words with little W. You've got a woman, window, web, watch, wallet, waffle, wasp, windmill, wigwam, whistle, willow, woodchuck, and a wheel. All start with the letter W. You need to get your letter W writing page out of your packet. Looks like this. And you need to get a pencil. And the first thing we're going to do is put our name on the top. I'm going to write Miss Burton on mine. I'll put your name on yours. All right, first thing I want you to do is watch me do this big uppercase W at the top. For uppercase W, we go big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top, big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Pick up your pencil and do that with me. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top, big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Lowercase w is exactly the same as uppercase W, but it stays under the dotted line. So this one we start at the dotted line and we slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Pick your pencil up and do that one with me. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. All right, we're going to trace this row of uppercase W's together. Get your pencil ready. We're going to go big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top, big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top, big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Keep going and trace those W's. Make sure they go all the way from the top line to the bottom line. And then we're going to come make a row on our own. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top, big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. W is kind of a big letter. It takes up a lot of space. So we can't fit probably as many W's on a line as we can some of our other letters. All right, remember on these pages you can always pause if you need to catch up. I'm going to keep going and do the lowercase w's. Remember, they're exactly the same. They just stay under the middle of the line. So it's slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Under that middle line. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. All right, then we're going to make a row of lowercase w's on our own. We're going to start at the middle line. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Notice I'm not picking my pencil up. I can do all those marks without picking my pencil up. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is do a pattern. We're going to do some uppercase, big slant down, big slant up, big slant down, big slant up, and lowercase, slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. And then we're going to come down and do a pattern on our own of uppercase, then lowercase, uppercase, then lowercase. I think I can fit one more of each. All right. You finish up your W's. When you're done writing and tracing all of them, you can color the wagon at the top. And tomorrow we'll talk more about both of the letters we've learned this week. See you then.